These next few slides contain conversational French that you will use particularly in Canada. So some of it's similar to the conversational words and phrases that we've already learned, but some of it is a little bit different. So you'll want to try to learn some of this for your travels in Canada. So first, we learn the word for I. Je. 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 I. M'appelle. M'appelle. Which literally means call myself. So if we say je m'appelle, we're saying I call myself literally, but what we mean is my name is. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. So you would put your name after that. Je m'appelle Brandy. Je m'appelle Henri. Je m'appelle Akira. It's my cat's name. Okay, and then when you're talking about how you're doing, just like we've learned already with ça va, we would use the verb for it is going or it goes. So, vais, vais. Je vais bien, je vais bien. So you already just learned je, I, and vais, am going. And then bien. You've learned bien before. We've learned très bien. And we've learned bien, which means well. So, I'm going well. I'm doing well. I am well. Je vais bien. Quel. Quel. Quel means what? Votre. Votre. That's the formal way of saying your. So remember, we've already learned vous as you, and now to say your, we would say votre. Nom. Not nom means name. So if we put that together, we can ask, quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? What is your name? Je m'appelle Henri. My name is Henry. Or you can put your own name there. Je m'appelle. And then if somebody introduces themselves to you, you can reply with enchanté for an informal situation, just plain enchanté, which means delighted. And notice there's a spelling difference for masculine with one E versus feminine with two E's, but they're pronounced exactly the same, enchanté. Okay. De, we've had that before, de, meaning of. And vous, again, the formal you, vous. And then a new word, connaître, connaître, which means to know. Connaître. That one's a little difficult to say, so let's practice that again. Connaître. Okay, now we've got a lot of new things on this slide, so let's go back to the top and we'll practice saying them again. Quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? What is your name? Je m'appelle Henri. Je m'appelle Henri. My name is Henry. Enchanté. Enchanté. Delighted. De. De. Of. Vous. Vous. You. Connaître. Connaître. To know. So let's put some of this together and we can say enchanté de vous connaître, which is a formal way of saying nice to meet you. Enchanté de vous connaître, or nice to know you. Okay. And in that greeting situation where you've exchanged your names with one another, then when somebody says it's nice to meet you, you would want to reply back to them. And these are the words you would use for that. Moi. Moi, we've learned before, means I. It's another way of saying I. Moi. It's more of an emphasis I than then je. Aussi, aussi, which means too or also. You put those two together and you have moi aussi, moi aussi. Rencontrer, rencontrer, to meet. So if we want to say, I'm delighted to meet you, I'm delighted to meet you too, we would say, moi aussi, enchanté de vous rencontrer. Moi aussi, enchanté de vous rencontrer. So let's try those phrases again. So we're going to have a little conversation. We're going to meet somebody new and we're going to say to somebody we've just met, quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? Je m'appelle Henri. Enchanté de vous connaître. Moi aussi, enchanté de vous rencontrer.